Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI and I want to show you my favorite cotton pajamas. These are by Pajamas. I absolutely love this set. So this is really high quality cotton. It doesn't feel thin at all. It washes super well and it is just super soft. I cannot explain to you how soft it is. It's definitely even gotten softer washing it. I love the details. You have this contrast neckline. You also have these beautiful little lace edged sleeves, and just overall it really looks high quality. It's definitely worth what you pay. This is the highest quality cotton pajama set I have ever had. And you can tell because of how it washes and dries, how it wears, and how you sleep at night. This really regulates my body temperature. I don't feel really sweaty in these, and if it's a really cold night, they also keep me nice and warm and snuggly. So I love these pajamas. I think you're gonna love them too. They have so many different cute designs, and so I think you are gonna love these beautiful pajamas, but that's just my point of view.